Hello, my darlings, and welcome to a series that I call Bed, Bath, and Broomsticks, where I craft magical recipes for your bath and home. In this video, I'm trying out a recipe that I've been curious about for a long time, creating liquid detergent from English ivy. This liquid can also be used as dish soap and other cleaning uses. Let's do some magical crafting. I have a spot in my backyard where English ivy grows through the fence from my neighbor's yard. There's another spot in the front yard where ivy is invading from a second neighbor's yard. And while it's not great for gardening or for fences, the good news is ivy is so invasive that you can harvest to your heart's content. These vines are perfect for wreath and basket making, but the leaves also have a great use. The leaves are filled with saponin, which acts as a natural detergent. And this liquid detergent can be used to wash clothes and sometimes even dishes. Just not your pet's dishes. English ivy contains compounds that are toxic to both dogs and cats if ingested. So please keep this detergent well away from your furry friends and never use it to clean their food or water bowls. Better safe than sorry. I think that now is the perfect time to give this recipe a try. I'm always looking into incorporating more natural cleaning products and more eco-friendly practices in my home. And I'm also looking for more budget-friendly practices in the face of recent political and financial uncertainty. And what could be more budget-friendly than free? The only two ingredients you need to make this laundry soap are ivy leaves and water, and an investment of your time and patience. One important note, some folks are allergic to the saponin in English ivy and can get contact dermatitis when touching the leaves, vines, or roots. However, that reaction should not occur once it's turned into a detergent. When working with the leaves, it's wise to use gloves if you believe you might be allergic to it. When harvesting ivy for magical purposes, I find it most potent during the waning moon phase. This aligns perfectly with the cleansing properties that we're looking to harness. Ivy has long been associated with fidelity, protection, and healing in magical traditions. When used in cleaning products, ivy brings these protective qualities into your home, clearing away negative energies and establishing boundaries against unwanted influences. I've created a Book of Shadows page for this recipe, and it explains the magical correspondence of the ingredients and gives simple instructions on how to make the laundry soap. If you'd like to download a printable PDF of this grimoire page, you can visit Magical Crafting on Patreon at the link below the video. Did you know that in ancient Greece, ivy was sacred to Dionysus, the god of wine and revelry? Followers would wear ivy wreaths during celebrations, believing it prevented intoxication. This protective quality is something I love to infuse into my cleaning rituals, creating a shield of positive energy throughout my home. Now let me show you how to prepare this magical detergent. I harvested about 60 leaves and removed their stems. I'm careful to take only what I need and thank the plants for its gifts. I wash the leaves thoroughly to make sure there aren't any debris or bugs, and then I cut the leaves into small pieces and put them in a medium-sized pot. I added 4 cups of water and boiled the leaves for 20 minutes with the lid on. As it simmers, I can smell the earthy aroma filling my kitchen. After removing it from the heat, I let it sit overnight, allowing the saponins to fully release into the water. The next day, I strained out the leaves I like to add a few drops of lemon essential oil to very lightly scent the soap. This is completely optional, but lemon adds a bright, cleansing energy that complements the ivy's protective qualities. I stored my detergents in the fridge in between uses. It's best to use this within a week or two. Use this detergent the same as you would normal detergent. I used mine in my washing machine and it worked wonderfully. After everything is washed and dried, it smells fresh and clean. May your home be blessed with the protective energy of ivy, your clothes be infused with nature's cleansing power, and may you find joy in working with the gifts that grow all around you.